Okay, so now we are here at the arithmetic mean. So I have here given sequence, arithmetic sequence. So yung last term, yung first and last term ng arithmetic sequence, tinatawag po nating arithmetic extremes. So parang same lang naman, ano? Kung tandaan nyo yung grade 9 ko na third quarter, which is the ratio and proportion. The first and last term na extremes and yung nasa gitna is means. So dito, ganun din. So yung nasa gitna or nasa loob ng extremes, ang tawag natin dyan is the arithmetic means. And then yung first and last term ng arithmetic sequence, ang tawag natin doon is the arithmetic extremes. So first, what is arithmetic mean? The arithmetic mean is also called the average or average value. So bakit po tinawag na average? Kasi po, pag arithmetic mean lang, isa lang yung nawawala. Just add the two terms and then divide it by 2. And then kapag sinam natin yung dalawang 2 or more variables, i-divide lang natin sa 2. So the first and the last term of the arithmetic sequence are called arithmetic extremes. And then the arithmetic mean between two numbers is sometimes called the average of two numbers. If more than one, tawag natin doon is arithmetic means. May S na. Means. Kapag means marami. Pag mean lang, isa lang yung nawawala. So para mas maintindihan ng arithmetic mean, let us have an example. Okay, so first example, we have what is the arithmetic mean between 10 and 24. So, kapag sinabing arithmetic mean, wala siyang S, means, isa lang yung nawawala. So, pag transform natin yan, that is 10. Yung gitna is nawawala, and then 24. So, yung gitna, nawawala. Okay po. Isa lang yung nawawala. Pag isa lang po yung nawawala, ganito lang, napakadali. So, using the average formula, we can denote this. Ito yung A natin, ito yung B. So, yung formula natin dyan, we have A plus B all over 2. Ito yung average formula. So, now, what is A? Sinabi ko, di ba, yung A natin is 10. Plus, B natin is 24 divided by 2. And then, add mo yung nasa taas, 34 divides 2. And 34 divides 2, that is 17. So, yung ating arithmetic mean is 17. Napakadali po. Kapag isa lang yung nawawala, napakadali ring intindihin. Ano? Kapag isa lang yung nawawala, sa arithmetic mean, ganun yon. Pag add mo yung dalawang term, just add the two terms and then divided by 2. So, ang ginawa ko dito, no? Pinag-add ko 10 plus 24, 34. And then, divide ko sa 2, that is 17. So, ayun na po yung mean. So, kapag para mas ma-check nyo kung tama, hanapin nyo yung common difference. 17 minus 10, that is 7. 24 minus 17, that is 7. So, tama yung ating na-solve na 17. So, paano naman kapag hindi lang isa yung nawawala, magagamit ba tong average formula? No. So, magagamitin po tayong formula para sa D. Okay po. So, let us have an example kapag marami na tayong hinahanap. So, next example, we have insert 3 arithmetic means between 8 and 16. So, insert 3 arithmetic means. So, may S na. Hindi na siya mean. So, meaning, tatlo na yung hahanapin natin. Hindi lang siya isa. So, magagamit ba natin yung average formula? No. So, gagamitin na natin yung formula for the common difference, which is D is equals to A sub n minus A sub 1 all over n minus 1. Okay po. So, ito po yung kapag means or maraming hinahanap, hahanapin muna natin yung common difference. And ito yung formula nun. So, now, what is the given? Let us write the given. Okay, so our A sub 1 is 8. Kasi nga, ito yung first and last term natin, ano? And then, our A sub n. So, yung A sub n po, yan yung last term. So, yung last term natin is 16. and then our n. So, ilan ba yung term natin? So, we have 3 arithmetic means. So, we have first term natin is 8. And then, insert 3 arithmetic means. So, we have 1, 2, 3. And then, our last term is 16. So, ilan ba yung term natin? Para mahanap tong n, bibilangan mo yung term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, our n is 5. So, now, substitute. We have d is equals to a sub n natin is 16 minus a sub 1 natin is 8 all over n natin is 5 minus 1. So now simplify. 16 minus 8, that is 8 all over 5 minus 1, that is 4. And then divide. 8 divides 4, that is 2. So our common difference is 2. So now nahanap na natin yung common difference. Madali na lang to. Itong 2 na to, ng common difference, i-add natin dito sa 8. So, 8 plus 2, that is 10. 10 plus 2, that is 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. So, nahanap na po natin yung 3 arithmetic means, which is 10, 12, 14. Okay po. So, ganyan lang po Kapag arithmetic mean lang yung nawawala, isa lang, just add the 2 terms and divide it by 2. And then, kapag marami na yung nawawala, gagamitin mo na yung formula na to, which is d is equals to a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Kailangan mo muna mahanap yung common difference kapag maraming nawawala. And then, pag nahanap na yung common difference, i-add mo na yon sa mga terms. For example, dito, nahanap ko na yung common difference, which is 2. And then, in-add ko na dito. So, we have 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And then, 14 plus 2 is 16. So, ganyan lang po ang arithmetic mean. Thank you for watching.